Okay guys, I know not too many people like these type of videos, but I'm going to say right now, when company is willing to send me something that is usable or fun to use at the off-grid cabin here, I'm going to definitely jump on it, you know, for a quick review video or such. Now this is the ALLPOWERS R2500 solar generator. They sent me this along with a set of suitcase 400 watt solar panels. They're the ones that kind of fold up. You'll see in a previous clip or a future clip. This is a 2500 watt max solar generator with a 4000 watt surge, 2016 watt hours, and of course it's got a host of outlets. The USB-C 100 watters, there are a pair of them on there, a pair of 18 watt USB-A's, and a pair of 12 watt USB-A's, along with your cigarette style lighter and a 12 volt 10 amp pair. Now, unlike one of the other ones, this does not have a surface charger or anything, but that's all well and good because we got plenty of ports. It's got 4 20 amp 110 circuits and then a 30 amp style RV plug-in. But before we get on that subject, it's only 20 amp output. So a 30 amp RV style plug will fit in it, but it only produces, it'll only produce 20 amps. To charge this, you can go up to 1000 watts of solar panels, which I thought was a nice feature. As many of you have seen that video of the garage build up in Finland, Minnesota, I use this and the solar panels exclusively. I wanted one to see if it would do it. Fortunately, we had a lot of sun, so the solar panels were putting out, you know, 390 to 400 watts. So it kept this thing pretty well charged, all except for one day when the compressor was running pretty much all day and we were using saws and stuff. And that day I got down to about 20% on the battery. Unfortunately, the next day had to run into town, so when I went home after a Menards trip, I replugged it in and charged it up fully, and that did the other 3-4 days. Again, it's an ALLPOWERS R2500, and I'm going to let the following clips kind of speak for themselves. I used it pretty extensively. It's a damn decent little machine. I still had the same issues with the big dual 12-inch compound miter saw as I did with the Blue Eddy, that if you hit the trigger and dive it into wood, it pops the breaker, even though this one's got a 4000 watt surge still. And another thing I'm going to say is, like always, you know, do your research. This is a pure sine wave again, so your electronics shall work on it and stuff. I went up and helped Martin from the North Woodsman 1 channel, and I put this in the Jeep and use this exclusively to keep my batteries charged for my phone and my camera and such. Also, I like listening to podcasts at night while I'm sleeping, so I was able to run an extension cord up into my tent on the roof of the Jeep and pretty much keep my phone charged all night. It's got the overload protection, you know, circuit breaker on the side here, your wall plug-in, and then your solar panel plug-in. And again, it'll do 1000 watts of a solar panel. And then here, this is for expandable battery packs. So if you had a couple more batteries, you could actually plug them in really make this a heck of a machine. All in all, I've been pretty impressed. I think I've recharged it about 30 times now because I've done half a dozen different jobs with it just to see what I can get away with and how much. Then down at the cabin here, I've been pretty much running it for lighting and such again. I use it for keeping my refrigerator charged. I don't know if anyone's ever seen that, but I've done that. I'm going to let the previous and the future clips pretty much dictate what I use this all for. So anyhow, I will get on with the video and y'all take care out there. Okay guys, we're up here today to test out ALLPOWERS R2500 series solar generator. Along with that, they sent me these 400 watt solar panels behind me. We're gonna see if we can do a little garage build here with it without dying on us. I did bring up a generator in case it did, because we're approximately in between Isabella and Finland, Minnesota right now. There's absolutely no power on site. I think I'll be staying up here for a couple nights just to get things done in a timely fashion, and we will go from there. But anyhow, ALLPOWERS was kind enough to send me this R2500 portable power station. Okay guys, cut about 70 studs here down to 116 and 5/8. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the compressor here with the air nailer. I still got 95% on this ALLPOWERS R2500 model solar generator after cutting 70 studs. Although I am cheating, I do have the solar panels hooked up. It's kind of an on and off cloudy day, and we're not getting 100% sun on them, but they're charging anywhere from 80 watts to 175 watts. And once these clouds go away, I'll probably get quite a bit more